Iswaran, can we talk?
For what? You don't have anything to talk now.
Iswaran, forgive me. Enough. Why? Why are you doing this to me?
It was your wrong. You were the one who didn't call me for your function. My ego got hurt.
Iswaran, I'm your eldest brother. Look at me, I'm talking to you. Your ego, my ego is not important. I get it was my mistake. But okay, remember the times me, you, Arvind, we used to watch football together, we used to watch Liverpool games, run around the house when things weren't happening. Last year, we went to Genting together, we had so much fun. We have so many memories together, man. You forgot all that? Iswaran, you could have called me.
I called you once.
You called me once, yes, but you could have called me again. It's not like it was too late or anything, but you could have called me again.
Yeah, it's too late.
So you're here now. Why is it too late? You're here.
You lost everything, brother.
You're here, it's not too late. I haven't lost anything.
You lost me.
Wait, I'm getting a call. Arvind, wait.
Hello, Anna.
Yes, Arvind?
Where are you? You still in the office?
Yeah, I'm still in the office.
It's late night. It's past dinner time.
No, I'm just talking to you, so it's fine later.
What do you mean? It's been 4 months now. Anna, you gotta accept it.
It's our baby brother.
He's no more, Anna. He left us all. All of us are accepting it. Stop being so hard on yourself. Get back home.